Retail therapy. Buying something new is a kind of therapy. If you are feeling a bit down in the dumps, you can go out and buy stuff. It can cheer you up no end.
So after weeks of feeling sorry for myself, I thought a little retail therapy might help get her off my mind.
Have some retail therapy, maybe grab lunch?
Nice kicks.
Yeah, retail therapy.
I need to relax. I'm thinking some retail therapy.
I need a little retail therapy.
Addiction. We can addicted to shopping and only find happiness in the next hit or purchase.
I'd become addicted to a lifestyle of money, sex, and power that was light years away from family or anything I'd ever experienced.
Of course, I'm addicted to selling it, not consuming it.
At the click of a button. We can buy stuff at the click of a button.
Terrible name. It's a simple app coupled with GPS and cellular network relays that can selectively limit cellular service to a small number of users or an entire region at the click of a button.
Imagine having your most private moments webcast for the whole world to see at the click of a mouse.
Bargain, as a noun, good value for money. Bargain, as a verb, to negotiate the price or haggle over the price.
That's a bargain, I'll take one.
That's all the more reason you're getting a bargain. No bargain.
Clearance sale, an occasion when goods in a shop are sold cheaply in order to get rid of them.
Enjoy the winter clearance sale at Howard.
Clearance sale?
It's a summer clearance sale.
Consumerism, the preoccupation with buying more and more.
But the whole area is an absolute monument to consumerism.
If your wife goes out there and creates a crisis in confidence in American consumerism, that's dangerous.
Disgusting.
Well, I mean, we're a consumer society, aren't we?
Cost me an arm and a leg. To be expensive, but you're still happy.
Cost me an arm and a leg, as I recall.
You're definitely available. You're a part-time fucking bartender. You were affordable when you delivered and didn't cost me an arm and a leg having to make up for your incompetence.
I know. Don't send this laundry out. It's going to cost me an arm and a leg.
Cost me an arm and a leg.
Garbage companies cost an arm and a leg.
It costs an arm and a leg. You call the manager now.
To keep up with the Joneses, everybody in England has neighbors called Mr. and Mrs. Jones. And you try to buy a better car, a better house, and so on than theirs.
Got to keep up with the Joneses.
Just to keep up with the Joneses, you know.
News fans, in order to keep up with the Joneses, I've decided to lend my talent to reality television.
Living beyond their means. They spend too much money.
Living beyond your means? Outgoings constant.
Can I only do it because I enjoy living beyond my means?
Don't live beyond your fucking means.
On sale. Items are on sale, available or at a lower price.
These are on sale because they're not fresh.
I couldn't decide between red and blue, but I have some extra red pens I got on sale, so I figured, why not?
Tickets on sale wherever tickets are sold.
Well, it's on sale.
They're on sale in the lobby.
Shop around to look for the best price.
Well, maybe I should shop around.
Yeah, I think we'd like to shop around.
Shopaholic, someone who loves to go shopping and buys lots of things they may not need.
My name is Joyce, and I'm a shopaholic.
Dress borrowed from Sue's, as I'm a reformed shopaholic.
My name is The Freak. I'm a shopaholic.
A sleepwalking shopaholic binge eater?
A shopping mall in the US. A shopping center in the UK. The clothes department. The perfume department, and so on.
The woman in the shopping mall.
Shall we go to the shopping center?
You're going to sell bras at a department store?
Maybe it's working in a department store, I don't know.
Listen, they've got a department store, one of the biggest in the world.
Spoilt for choice. You have so many options.
Here we are, Dad. Not exactly spoiled for choice here, but we got...
Snap up. Buy something quickly and normally cheaper.
They're trying to snap up all of our best DNA before we're gone.
But you could snap up pistols and a powder horn, and he'd be none the wiser.
I'm about to go snap up that internet company that's been cut off at its knees.
He's not going to snap up my exhibition.
Talk shop. It's a colloquial way of referring to work-related conversations.
I don't talk shop Saturday nights.
I didn't come here to talk shop with you, Vincent.
I don't get many visitors that I can talk shop with.
But I'll tell you, it actually worked to my advantage, because We got to talk shop, and if things pan out the way I think they might, we could be talking about some really sweet credit terms for the store.
Looks like we've been working on the same case from opposite ends. Let's talk shop.
To be going for a song, that means to be cheap. For example, they are going for a song. Window shopping. Looking in the windows, but you're not gonna buy anything.
You did yourself a little window shopping in that dorm last night.
Say, you like window shopping?
Window shopping.
And blow some money?
We'll just be window shopping.
I thought I'd do some window shopping before the show.
To do the weekly shopping, buy food for the whole week.
Then the weekly shop, you know.
She would come home with the weekly shopping and her hands would be red raw.
Now, it's your turn to mute the video sound and repeat it out loud. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. And leave a red heart in the comments to make sure your subscription doesn't jump ship. Hope to see you guys by Tuesday.